Good morning, students. Class 7, chapter number 12, practical geometry. In the previous video, we have completed out exercise 12.1 and we also discussed about basic of the construction. Now we start exercise 12.2. First question. In this question, we have to construct a triangle with length 6.5, 8 and 5 centimeter. So firstly, we have to draw a rough figure. And we have to draw a triangle. Suppose we have to draw a triangle ABC. We have to draw a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 6.5 centimeter and AC equal to 5 centimeter. So now we have to discuss how can we construct it. Okay, student. So we have to draw triangle ABC. So firstly we have to draw a line segment AB, a line segment BC 8 centimeter. So we firstly mark two endpoints, first at 0 and second at 8 and join these two endpoints. So it is a line segment BC whose length is exact 8 centimeter. Now we draw a line segment AB 6.5 centimeter. For this we have distance 6.5 centimeter in the compass. After taking distance 6.5 centimeter in the compass, put the compass at B and draw an arc above BC. Now we take distance 5 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at C. Draw another arc which cut previous arc at this point and we mark this point as a capital A. And we join A to C and A to B. AB is exact 6.5 centimeter and AC whose length is exact 5 centimeter. And finally we note down answer language. Triangle ABC is a required triangle. So I sure first question is clear. Just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 3. Question number 2 is cut. Question number 3. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which any one angle is 90 degree and isosceles triangle. It's any two sides are equal. And right angle triangle in which perpendicular and base both are equal. It is called isosceles right angle triangle and whose equal sides are 5 centimeter. It means perpendicular and base both are 5 centimeter. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure. It means suppose we have to draw question number 3. Suppose we have to draw a right angle triangle ABC. ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. AB and BC both are equal and whose measurement are 5 centimeter and its value also 5 centimeter. So how can we construct it? Now discuss it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 3. So firstly we have to draw a line segment BC 5 centimeter. So firstly we mark two endpoints, first at 0 and second at 5 and join these two endpoints. So it is a line segment BC whose length is exact 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw at B angle 90 degree. And in the previous video discussed about how can we draw angle 90 degree with the help of compass. I again repeat, firstly we draw an arc and taking same distance, we draw another arc which cut previous arc this point. Now put the compass at this point, draw another arc which cut this arc at this point. It is arc of 60 degree and it is arc of 120 degree. Now put the compass at arc of 60 degree, draw another arc between arc of 60 degree and 120 degree, put the compass at this point and mark another arc which cut the previous arc at this point. And now we have to join this point to B. So you observe that it is an angle of 90 degree. Now taking distance 5 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at B, draw an arc which cut the ray of 90 degree at point A. And now finally we join A to C. It is also 5 centimeter. So finally we can say that triangle ABC is a required triangle. Triangle ABC is a required triangle. So I sure question number 3 is clear. So please just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, we have to construct a triangle ABC with AC equal to 3.8 centimeter, angle A equal to 120 degree and angle C equal to 30 degree. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure according to the given measurement. So now we start question number 5 with the rough figure. So just try. We have to draw a triangle ABC in which AC is equal to 3.8 centimeter, angle A is 120 degree and angle C is 30 degree. So now discuss how can be constructed. Okay students, now we start question number 5. So firstly we have to draw a line segment AC 3.8 centimeter. So firstly we mark two end point, first at 0 and second at 3.8. and join these two endpoints. So it is a line segment AC. Now according to the rough figure, we have to draw angle 120 degree at point A. Again same procedure discussed in the previous video. We draw an arc taking some distance the compass, draw an arc, put the compass at this point and mark an arc which cut the previous at this point which is a 60 degree and put the compass at this point, draw another arc which is the arc of 120 degree and we join this point to A. So it is the ray which indicate angle of 120 degree. Now at C we have to draw angle 30 degree with the help of compass. So firstly we have to draw an arc and draw another arc which represent arc of 60 degree and we join this point to C. Which is a angle of 60 degree, but we have to require angle of 30 degrees. So we put the compass at this point and draw one arc between these two arcs and put the compass at arc of 60 degree and draw another arc which cut the previous arc this point. And now we have to join this point to C. So finally this angle is 60 degree यानी कि half of 30 degree and these two rays intersect each other at point P. So finally triangle ABC is a required triangle. So I sure question number 5 is clear. Just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 6. In the question number 6, is it possible to construct triangle PQR with PQ 7.5 cm, angle P 90 डिग्री, एंगल R 45 डिग्री? अगर आपका आंसर यस है तो आपको ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करना है और उसके बाद लेंथ PR को मेज़र करना है. So firstly we have to draw its rough figure and observe that triangle is possible, yes or no. So in this question we have to draw a triangle PQR. So suppose we have to draw a triangle PQR, PQR, in which angle P 90 degree, angle R 45 degree and PQ 7.5 centimeter. Now how can we discuss that the triangle is possible, yes or no? Suppose we have to draw PQ 7.5 centimeter, angle P 90 degree with the help of compass, but the length of PR is not given. Then how can we draw angle 45 degree? So it means triangle is not possible. But if we discuss some construct, some geometrical concept, it means we have used angle sum property in triangle PQR, then very easily we can find out angle Q, because we know that sum of all angles is 180 degree, and after calculation the value of angle Q we obtained is 45 degree. 90 degree plus 45 degree plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. So angle Q also 45 degree. It's mean now we can draw a triangle PQR. So now we have to draw triangle PQR. Okay students, so firstly we have to draw a line segment PQ 7.5 centimeter. So firstly mark two endpoints, first at 0 and second at 7.5, and join these two endpoints PQ whose length is 7.5 centimeter. Now at P we have to draw angle 90 degree. With the help of compass we use the same procedure discussed in the previous video. We draw an arc taking same distance, 60 degree arc. It is 120 degree. Between these it is 90 degree. And now we join this point to P, which is angle 90 degree. Now at Q we have to draw 45 degree angle. So firstly we have to draw 90 degree angle again, because 45 degree is half of 90 degree. Again same procedure, 60, 120, and between them the angle is 90 degree. And now we join this point to Q, which is 90 degree. Now put the compass at this point and taking distance equal to 90 degree. Draw an arc between 90 degree angle, put the compass at this point, draw another arc which cut this arc at this point, and we join this point to Q. Which cut the ray of 90 degree angle at R. So finally triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is a required triangle. Now we measure the length of PR. So put the divider at P and taking distance equal to PR in the divider. And now we measure the length along the scale. So we observe that his length is exact 7.5 centimeter. So PR is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So I sure question number 6 is clear. Just try them question, and now in the next video we discuss exercise 12. Continue exercise 12.2. Thank you very much.